Installation of the ECO bracket. Using a level as a reference, draw a horizontal line at the desired shelf height. Be sure to subtract the thickness of the shelf top when marking the line. Use a stud finder to locate the center of each stud to which you'll be mounting brackets. It's very important to accurately locate the center for maximum strength. Place the provided adhesive template on the wall with the centerline mark aligned with the center of the stud and the top of the template aligned with your horizontal line. Measure past the template a 1/4 inch on each side to determine the polyblock centerline. Extend the polyblock centerline marks vertically 1 inch. Pre-drill the bottom hole for the double-headed lag using a 1/4 inch bit. Ensure these holes are centered on the template and as level as possible. Repeat for the top hole for the screw using an 1/8 inch drill bit. Use a 1/2 inch socket to drive the double-headed lag into the bottom hole, stopping when the head of the lag contacts the wall. Place the bracket onto the double-headed lag. Drive the structural screw into the top hole using a 12-inch bit extension and a T30 star bit. Insert the polyblock with the slot down into the bracket. Place a level onto the bracket and use a 1/2 inch socket or an open-end wrench to adjust the double-headed lag and level the bracket. Turn the lag clockwise to lower the front of the bracket and counterclockwise to raise it. To order brackets or find a distributor near you, visit shelf-made.com.